Welcome to AntFarm. First video, we're going to cover up how to install and how to get the panel up in the beginning. So first thing we need to do is go to the package manager, find the package that we want to install, type in AntFarm, make sure you have the include pre-releases checked, otherwise you won't see them. AntFarm install the first package, it's the core package, that gives you the panel at the end and all the data visualization. Second package is the Rhino integration that comes with AntFarm, and we can have basically get all the capabilities you have in the UI here in the Rhino window you're going to have in the Grasshopper side. Third package, AntFarm IO. This is some file formats that we're going to support to import data, mainly GIS data, urban stuff, GeoJSON, GeoTIFF, OpenStreetMap, CityGML, shapefiles. They come in, bring in the geometry and the associated data into AntFarm, so we can manipulate, categorize, and all that stuff. We're going to cover this up in a different video. Last package, very small package, AntFarm ML, just some additional components for Grasshopper, clustering, some analysis components. There's more to come. So we installed them, we need to reinstall it, Rhino. Let's get back to Rhino. Come back, new session. Check if the package is actually installed. So we go to the package manager, and there it is, AntFarm IO. Both show up. Little description at the bottom, so supported file types, and of course the AntFarm with all the associated commands. Most important right now to get started is the command at the bottom, which is AntFarm, and this is the one we're going to use now. So we go to command line, type in AntFarm, and that will bring up a panel, and that panel, well, it's a native Rhino panel, and you can dog and drag and drop, right, and set it up in the Rhino UI, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the version in a little about box, and that's it. That's all we're going to do today. Welcome to AntFarm, and see you in the next session.